landscapes are known to have many secrets hidden below them. With the ever-increasing temperatures of the world through global warming, some of these discoveries are finally being found. Some good, and some deadly bad. Let's look at the 5 mysterious things found in frozen ice. Number 5. Alien markings in the ice. 2 friends that were walking along a frozen-over lake made a strange discovery when they came across this strange formation in the middle of the frozen lake. This strange mass was found in Utah, and it appears to be frozen into the lake. Small holes can be seen poking out from the ice, with a strange formation lying underneath. The 2 speculated that this was something that aliens left when they visited Earth. Others speculate it to be a landing spot of a UFO. Many people think it's eggs of some other world. The 2 explain the texture of the supposed eggs as being slimy. The 2 didn't take anything with them, so any research that could have been done by running them through tests are out the window. Many more skeptical people claim it's a coffee spill, salt that was used for ice fishing, and some even stating it's a natural ice formation. Whatever it is, it gives a creepy vibe to anyone brave enough to approach it. Number 4. Giant staircase. Internet investigators have spotted a giant staircase carved into an Antarctic hillside. The unusual formation was spotted in satellite images from Google Earth, prompting wild speculation about its origins. A close-up of the bizarre formation, which can be found on an Antarctic hillside. Its location was shared on the conspiracy forum Godlike Productions, where some people suggested it was the remains of a hidden city built by the Nazis, and others claimed it was put there by an extinct race of giants called the Nephilim, or aliens from another world. Antarctica has been the center of many conspiracy theories over the years. Earlier this month, the internet lit up with discussion about a huge and mysterious anomaly lurking beneath the frozen wastes of an area called Wilkes Land. Number 3. Giant dinosaur found in ice block. Paleontologists working on top of a frozen Antarctic mountain have extracted a rock and ice fossil popsicle encasing the remains of a massive, previously unknown dinosaur. They used jackhammers, rock saws, and chisel at a punishing 4,200 meters to unearth the dinosaur, which represents a new genus and species. The dinosaur lived 190 million years ago during the early Jurassic at what is now Mount Kirkpatrick, near the Beardmore Glacier. The species adds to a growing number of dinosaurs known to have roamed the now polar continent. The dinosaur is named Glacialosaurus hammeri, after the noted Antarctica fossil hunter Professor William Hammer, and was identified by a femur leg bone and an incomplete ankle and foot. Scaling the material up to similar-sized relatives would suggest that it was around 7 meters long and weighed perhaps 4 to 5 tons, says Nathan Smith, a graduate student at Chicago's Field Museum and a member of the Committee on Evolutionary Biology. Number 2. Unknown creatures. Strange creatures are found throughout the treacherous lands of Siberia. Many of these creatures are deceased and frozen in huge blocks of ice. Some of these discoveries show creatures that have never been discovered or that were assumed extinct. A species of dog was discovered a few years ago, and researchers say that the species dates back to 10 centuries ago. Due to the cold conditions, the creatures were preserved well and are hypothesized to be one of the first breeds of dogs to be domesticated. The research done on this species shows early examples of domesticated wolves and slowly evolving them into the cute house pets we know today. Who knows what other descendants of other species are buried somewhere in the Siberia, just waiting to be discovered. Number 1. Weird fish. As the tide ebbed down the beach outside his house Friday, Harry Reitz discovered a mysterious sea creature that one scientific paper described as a puzzling fish with soft bones. The brown frozen animal Reitz found is a ragfish, and little is known about them. A few have washed up on beaches in Gustavos and Juneau, according to recent news reports, but they're a rare find. Commercial trawlers, seiners, and gillnetters sometimes catch them off the southern coasts of California, north to the Bering Sea, and in the waters off Japan. Because they live at great depth, few ragfish are found on beaches, according to a 2003 scientific paper written by George Allen. Thank you so much for watching.